This is Nothing Phone 1. You have to be living under a rock to not know about it. And most of you might be wondering, what's so special about this device? Well, we've had it for a while and these are our observations. Starting with the obvious, the Glyph Interface. The back of Nothing Phone 1 comprises of 900 LEDs neatly placed across its surface. This interface can be used for ringtones, notifications, charging indication and even shooting. Beyond this, the build quality is also quite impressive. It's a classic glass sandwich design with an aluminium frame encased with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. It also comes with IP53 water resistant rating. The display is decent, nothing extraordinary. It's a 6.5-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz max refresh rate and HDR10+ support. It has a peak brightness of 1200 nits. It's at par with phones in this segment. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus 5G chipset, which is an underwhelming choice given the price point. However, it is optimized well and you won't feel the lack of power in most cases. Gaming performance is not aggressive though. As for software, it comes with Android 12 out of the box. Cameras might surprise you. The primary camera setup includes a 50-megapixel sensor with face detection, autofocus and optical image stabilization. Then there is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera as well. The image quality is crisp. The front camera is a 16-megapixel sensor which shoots decent selfies. Overall, the Nothing Phone 1 happens to be a decent device with some unique quirks, but is it best in the segment? That's arguable. Watch out for our full review on businessinsiderindia.in. And as always, make sure to follow us on Instagram.